All right, my test setup for a line consisting of kits and homemade stuff. Well, this is number one, the homemade torsion bar key, my favorite one. This little box over here, my key goes in there. This one intercepts the sending of the key and gives a delay to the RF to switch the relay of the amplifier. This is the Q-Mix. I really love this kit. Really great kit, great kit. From the Q-Mix we go through the homemade amplifier, and that's why we need this RF delay. First we switch the amplifier and then we put through the RF from the QRP Q-Mix Plus, or else the security of the SWR will kick in from the Q-Mix. Great stuff by Hans Sommers. From the amplifier we go to this low pass filter. This low pass filter is from Poland. It's a kit. It's a great thing. I checked it with my VNA and it looks great. But to use it we need a switch to switch the right bands. Now it's all set up as training or as development, and here I switch the band. It's all based on a AT-Tiny 402. It has nothing to do, just switching. So this is great. From the low pass filter we go to the homemade SWR. Works great. It's based on an AT-Tiny 1614 and a Stockton bridge, and made by the same Polish radio amateur from the low pass filter. It's a kit. It works great. It really works great. From there we go of course to the antenna, which is a Windom or a inverted V. For the moment 12 volts goes to the switcher, and from there I go to 5 volts. 12 volts is needed for the relays, 5 volts is needed for the logic. Here's a little power supply. You can feed it with 10 to 35 volts, and it makes it's based on an LM317, so we can make any voltage, but I especially made this one for the Q-Mix, which is built for 9 volts. Now I switch it even back to 7.5 volts, so I got a less output because the attenuator is only 3 dB, and you should feed this amplifier with about 1 watt, and that's what it's doing right now. So just made a few QSOs on 30 meters, and it's a great one. It's a great one.